It's certainly a double whammy for the city of Mumbai with that horrific fire that was reported yesterday. Now, talking about Karnataka, it continues to be one of the worst affected states in the country. It's seeing a spurt in COVID cases. It's seen over 2,500 cases on Thursday. Bengaluru, particularly Bengaluru urban, is actually one among the worst hit districts in Karnataka. Here's more.
Fear is rising in Karnataka as COVID cases soar again. 2,500 cases in the last 24 hours is very worrying, but that isn't the only concern. India's IT center, Bengaluru, is in the list of top 10 districts with the highest number of active cases. Hedged between the high COVID prevalent states like Maharashtra and Kerala, Karnataka sees a lot of incoming traffic, particularly to Bengaluru. On Thursday, the Karnataka government announced that everybody entering the state will have to carry an RT-PCR negative certificate.
Sudden increase in the cases has to be blamed on ourselves. That is, our people slowly started forgetting the safety measures which had to be taken. They thought that corona has gone, vaccination is on the way, so we can be back to our normal life.
The state government has blamed the complacent attitude of people for the rise in cases, but authorities in turn have also been found wanting. The vaccination drive in the state has been slow, with just 30 lakh people inoculated so far.
Regarding the vaccination supply, there will not be any disruption as far as Karnataka is concerned. He will ensure, it depends on the number of inoculation, they will be continuously supplying us with the vaccine. So we need to scale up our IEC, motivate people and ensure that more number of people above 45 years will come to facilities to take the vaccines.
Opposition parties say that the Yediyurappa government continues to show how ill-prepared it is in dealing with the crisis.
It is definitely a massive failure. That first of all, cases are not being reported. Second, why is that, you took so long to actually kind of expect this surge? The government should take this seriously and stop more people from getting affected and stop more deaths as well.
The state government has reimposed some restrictions to curb the spread. As of now, the cases in Bengaluru and elsewhere are manageable. But with several festivals coming up, the concern is that there is every chance of the situation going out of control. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath and Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.